going on YouTube? It's Craig with Appliance Video back again. Does your display on your oven look like this? If it does, it was probably manufactured by Whirlpool, and today we're going to do a quick overview of your controls as well as take a look at diagnostics on this gas range. Of course, before we get too far, make sure you like and subscribe. Upon looking at the control panel, we can see all the different options, such as bake and broil, and really cool new options I see on here, such as lasagna and pizza with the frozen bake options. You have your start and your cancel, the temp up and down, your standard timer, cook time, clock, light, delay start, and control lock. To enter diagnostics, what you want to do is hit it with the 2-piece and the biscuit, boom, 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 cancel, cancel, start, and you should be right in. Now, upon successfully entering diagnostics, the first thing that's going to pop up is TST. This is going to be for the test mode on this unit. Now, during this portion, we can test different functions just by pressing a key. The first option we have is bake. Once you press bake, your bake element is going to come on. Of course, to turn it off, you'll simply want to press bake again, and do the same thing with the broil portion. If you need to test out your element, test for voltage, this is a great time to do it. If you press oven light, we'll have your oven light turn on, as well as the LED display clock will come on when you press the timer set on and off. You can also test different portions of your cooktop by turning on your knobs. The keep warm will turn on all of your relays, and of course, to exit diagnostics, you simply press cancel. Of course, if you do not want to exit diagnostics, now is the time to advance to the next portion of the cycle. And in order to do so, you simply want to use the up or down key. The first test you'll find once you press the up key is going to be the second test, and this is for your oven temperature sensor. It'll give you a reading, whether it's in Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending on what you have it set at, and tell you what the oven temperature sensor is at this current moment. The third portion is the user offset. I wouldn't recommend messing with this. If you have it set, keep it where it's at. Now option 6, this is a bread and butter portion of the diagnostics. This is going to tell you what error codes are inside your system. Of course, if it says OK or clear, that means that there is no error codes inside, but there's many error codes that can pop up, such as an F1 error code, and it could be F1E0, F1E1, or F1E2 for a board failure. You may find an F2E1 for a shorted keypad, an F3E0 for an open oven sensor. You may find an F5E1 for a door latch, an F6E1 for an over temperature. You do not want to find that one. Then of course an F9E0 for a miswired housing. If you have found an error code inside your system and you have fixed the problem, it is highly advised to press the start key during option 6 to clear your error code out of the system. That way you not get confused later on thinking that the unit is broken when it may not be. Of course, the 7th option is total accumulated days of operation, and the very last option is going to be your door switch and latch status. Of course, this will wrap up diagnostics on this unit. Pretty easy to get to, pretty customer friendly. If you want to exit diagnostics, simply press cancel. And YouTube, if you liked my video and you love my content, make sure you like, follow, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and I'll see you next time.